Let's take a closer look at the Basic Witch Ita Bag. Each bag comes with the bag itself, a decorative starred chain attachment, an adjustable shoulder strap with gold chain accents, and the front window insert that you already see in the bag. It will also include a version of the strap without the chain accents. To attach the shoulder strap, clip each clasp to the D-rings on each side of the bag. Make sure you use the large D-rings and not the small ones. Attach the star chain attachment to the smaller D-rings on either side of the bag. To remove them, just do the same thing in reverse. Now let's take a look inside the bag. Underneath the front flap, you'll find a wallet-style front with 5 card slots, a clear ID window with a hole for easy ID removal, and a cash pocket right here. In the main part of the bag, there are 2 compartments separated by a zippered pocket. You can use this pocket for loose change, more card storage, or really whatever you want to put in there. The back compartment has another smaller zippered pocket, again for loose change or small items. And overlaying it is another non-zippered pocket. The front compartment has 5 additional card slots, for club cards or other cards you use less frequently. And on the back of the bag, there's 1 additional zippered pocket. Next, I'll show you how to insert and remove the front window insert. Open the bag and the pocket to access the front windows right here. Start by removing the underside of the insert underneath the bottom flap, starting with the corners. Then, carefully tug out the rest of the insert. Make sure the pins on the front don't catch on the bottom flap though. Now I want to use this insert in the bag. I'll show you how to put it back in. You'll want to make sure that the bottom edge of the insert is aligned with the top part of the flap. Otherwise, when you turn the flap over, it'll be upside down. It's super easy, just slide the insert back in. Make sure the insert is fully inserted. Now we just tuck the bottom back under the bottom flap. And you're done! Now let's see what can fit inside the bag. If you want room for even more, help us unlock the card wallet and the coin purse. Last but not least, if you prefer silver hardware, then help us unlock the silver version of the bag as well.